everybody, I am super excited to be with you here tonight on my patio with Jon from Tasteful Times.
Thank you so
coming
much.
Over. Yes, my pleasure. Tonight we are going to talk to you about a couple of things, including wine. And I'm also going to give you guys some good tips on at-home date night ideas. And I think it goes without me even saying why that's important right now. But anyway, Jon, if you wouldn't mind just telling us a little bit about yourself and Tasteful Times.
Yeah, so my name's Jon Sadler, and I own Tasteful Times. We're at 116th and Oleo, so we're on the northeast corner there. And we opened 10 years ago.
Oh, wow.
And it's just been kind of a family passion project. So tonight we actually are starting with Navrin. It's a Brut Rose.
While he's pouring us that, I'm just going to give you my first tip on an at-home date night idea. This is my husband and I's favorite idea, and that is a movie theme night. For example, my favorite movie is Forrest Gump, and we went into our basement one night and I turned on Forrest Gump and I had made shrimp gumbo and we had a box of chocolates for dessert, and it just kind of makes it a little bit extra special.
This is kind of typical Spanish champagne, if you will, called cava, but this is Brut Rose, so they have actually allowed the Pinot Noir in this to just kind of rest to give it that beautiful color.
Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and share with you another quick tip on an at-home date night idea, and that is to play cards. I think now more than ever we are really needing to get back to the basics and learning how to enjoy life as we have it. Next bottle.
All right, so the next bottle is Broadbent Vino Verde, which translates into green wine. So what's awesome about this wine, or how I like to describe it, is it's like an adult soda pop. Right?
Yeah.
So it's kind of like it's refreshing.
Yes.
It's the wine version of Sprite. All right, so we are going to pour Alto Rioja. This is from Rioja, Spain. It is a Reserva, so it has actually spent 20 months in oak, and then it has spent another 2 years in bottle, just resting. So this is Tempranillo.
I was gonna chug, but anyway.
So again, a perfect little evening right here.
Yes,
Start with some bubbles, get some refreshing white, and finish with a delicious red, right?
And
so.
y'all, this is Indiana, man. Enjoy it while we can. So to enter the giveaway to win these 3 bottles of delicious wine, all you have to do is like Team Endicott's Facebook page and share this post.
The wines pair perfectly with e-learning.
Oh, I've heard that. Look at me.